Akka. I have observed these things, man. Why do these star fellows drive like this? It's almost every Thar. Maybe that's the reason why this car is getting the Chapri tag. Fine. Let me talk about these gloves. Now, many people of 4 to 5 have asked me in the comment section that what type of gloves do I use. When you see the name on the gloves only, it's clearly visible that it's from the brand called Vayatara. So it's a really good, well-known brand actually. I don't know how many people know this, but in India actually I think these are one of the finest gloves what you can get, you know, because these are for last year when I got these were for 5,600, 5,700 or something like that. So for that price it's really good. When I was searching for gloves, right, so not only this, there were other 2 to 3 gloves in my radar. Of course the Rhinox was there, full gauntlet gloves, and I wanted only full gauntlet, no half gauntlet gloves. And after full gauntlet, I mean from Rhinox, what was there, BBG was there, Machna, I don't know how to pronounce it, that was there. Then Tarmac, I think Koda was also there, but I did not check out those gloves. I was able to only see in person these 4 gloves. The Rhinox, I think it was Evo 3 or Evo 2, I don't remember quite. So I saw those, I saw these, I saw Tarmac, I saw Machna, and I felt these to be the most value for money in terms of, you know, design, quality, safety wise, and everything. So Machna and Tarmac, I don't think many people will try, because that's purely sports and, you know, performance riding, almost like a track riding gloves. So that's the reason I did not consider them. So the only choices what I left was these Vayatara and Rhinox. BBG was out of question because those are only for, you know, protection from dust and everything. I felt like I need to provide safety for those gloves by not using it. So I did not enjoy those. Then I finalized this based on what I could see. The reason why I did not choose Rhinox is it's not a fully leather gloves. It's written leather gloves, but it's not fully leather. Somewhere, and you know, they have used all these, what is it, cloth or whatever you can say, you know, textile material and everything to make it comfortable. But they have used in such a region, right? I felt like if that goes, if that tears off, all the fingers will be like gone. That's how it was designed. And when I see the, you know, the palm protection and everything, that was also okay. But when this wrist protection came, right, so what is there here, this block? So it was, they told that it is a carbon fiber thing. Okay, If they told carbon fiber, so that's fine, okay. But it was as big as say Vicks tablet, you can say. What kind of production will it give, man? I don't understand. I don't know what was the point of that. It was so small, I don't think it would have given any production when I fell and slid. That's the thing what really bothered me. And the quality of the leather was also not up to the mark. When I saw these Vyattara Grid 2 gloves. So now I think Grid 3 has also come in Vyattara. So Grid 2s are maybe it will be discontinued. So I haven't seen Grid 3s till now, but Grid 2 is my favorite gloves, man. These are fully made up of goat leather, Knox security, I mean Knox protectors, all these things, the palm sliders, and this cloth type of thing. I don't know what is this. These are type of thing wherever they have given wherever we will be holding the handlebar. Then these little things, the air vents really work. These knuckle protectors, I feel safe. And RX down. What else I like? What is the best part about the best part, or you can say the best feature of these gloves. You will be surprised if I say you. I tell you. I know many people mock me in the comment section for this, but my favorite thing about these gloves, right, is this thing. The gap what is there here, right, in the knuckle protectors, there's a space over here. I store my parking ticket or whenever they give the parking, like a coin or a token or anything, I store it here. Because whenever I store it in the pocket, right, again I have to remove my gloves and put on, put off. So these are the things what I usually hate. So I put it in that gap. It is a lifesaver, man. I don't know why many of the other companies don't do these things. It's really helpful. It saves a lot of time. It saves so much of energy also. And there is one more small pocket over here. I hope you can see this. This pocket is for, I use it for storing the keys. So when I keep my gloves, right, inside the bag, I keep the bike key, or you can say, to some places, some hotels, they give the parking token as a, like a straight pencil or a, like a chocolate. So I store those things over there. Or even the key also, whenever it is, I'm just getting off the bike to have a cup of coffee or something, I'll just place my key in the gloves and I'll just go. If I making the bike to, just stand there just for, doing some exercise or something. So those things and all, I will just place my key over there. These two are my favorite features, man. Can you believe it? Avoid these leather gloves and all these features. For me, these two are like my favorite things. But when it comes to the gloves, I like this, man. It's really good. Till now, there is there are no stitches that are getting loosened up, or there is nothing that is getting, out of what it is supposed to be. I really admire these gloves. The quality is also high. So some people who have owned the Vyattara Grid 1, right? So those people complain that these are not up to the quality of that one, the first version, the Grid 1. So I have not seen the Grid 1, nor have I used it or touched it, so I can't comment on it. But if people are saying that the Grid 1 was supposed to have higher quality than this, I can't imagine how good that is, you know? Because these are Grid 2s and these are only like this. I like so much, and Grid 1 is supposed to be like better than these. Where the wrist is there, right? The wrist part. I don't know the wrist part. And what do you call? I mean, this part. What is there? This part, right? So this is getting really tight. So that's the reason why I want to know. I feel somewhat uncomfortable, you can say, after wearing like 3 to 4 hours continuously. I don't recommend you wearing gloves for 3 to 4 hours continuously. I am just a madman, so please don't follow me. This is the disadvantage. The fitting and everything is good. There is this, what is a visor wiper, you can say, given near the index finger. It is only on the left hand side, and there is also this ring finger and pinky finger protector, or they both are connected in the gloves. So I think that is also a very good safety feature, because when I had my first fall, right, my pinky finger was injured, my ring finger was safe. Because my pinky finger just stretched, it got caught and it just stretched. It did not have any support or something to pull back, so it got injured. So now I appreciate, or now I realize the importance of this pinky finger, ring and pinky fingers, this stitching, because I use only my middle finger and index finger for the clutch. Same goes for the brake as well. And my index finger, the pinky finger and the ring finger will always be on the handlebar. Disadvantages, I don't think there are any disadvantages, but some people have complained that the thumb finger gets numb after some time, because there is not a lot of movement in the fingers and everything. So even I feel the same thing. Sometimes my thumb finger gets numb, my hand sometimes also gets numb, but that is after, like, if you are riding continuously, like maybe 3, 4, 5 hours. I have ridden it for 3, 4, 5 hours continuously, so according to me it's true. So that's the disadvantage what I have come across till now. That's all for this video. So if you are interested in buying these gloves, right, it is not available right now. If you find it, then please try to check out Grid 3. That looks more stylish and almost comes with the same amount of safety features as well. Go to some stores where it is available. It's already been 10 to 15 days. That's it for this video, man. These gloves, I recommend it. If you get it, well and good. If you get the Grid 3, I think you are good to go for that as well. But I haven't checked it out. Please go to the stores, feel it for yourself, then only buy it.